In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your Google Slides presentation effortlessly. Whether you're preparing for a big meeting, creating a tutorial, or sharing ideas with colleagues, capturing your presentation is a helpful way to combine your slides and narration into one engaging video. First, open Google Slides in your web browser, sign in to your Google account. If you don't have one, creating an account is quick and free. Your Google account gives you access to all the features we'll be using. Once signed in, you'll see your homepage with all your existing presentations. You can start a new presentation by clicking Blank Presentation, or choose a template that matches the style and tone of your content. Choosing the right template can save time and make your slides look more professional. Next, we'll use an extension called Screencastify. If it's not installed, go to your browser's extension store and add it. Screencastify is perfect for recording your screen and your voice simultaneously, turning your slide deck into a complete presentation video. Once installed, go back to your Google Slides presentation. Click the Screencastify icon in your browser toolbar. Here you can choose to record your entire screen, a specific window, or just a browser tab. Make sure your microphone is enabled so your narration is captured clearly. When ready, click record and begin your presentation. Speak clearly and guide your audience through each slide, adding tips, explanations, or commentary. You can pause or stop at any time. Once finished, Screencastify processes your video so you can save, share, or edit it as needed. And that's it. Recording your Google Slides presentation is that simple. This method not only captures your slides, but also lets your voice add context, making your presentation more dynamic and professional. Practice a few times, and you'll be able to create polished recordings quickly.